Welcome to Techamuna.com video reviews. Today we're looking at the Realme Buds Q wireless earbuds. You can find them on Shopee or Lazada for about 1,200 pesos. In the box, all you get is a micro USB charging cable, 2 extra silicone tips, user manual, and of course the buds itself. This is my first time to review any Realme product, and I have to say that the quality is definitely at par with its competitors like Xiaomi. Everything is made out of plastic and the quality itself is not bad. The case is quite slippery and getting a good grip while trying to open has caused me to drop it a couple of times already. Comparing it to the Halo GT1, they have the same quality plastic case, but the shape of the GT1 makes it easier to open. I'm planning to do a comparison review between these two devices. If that's something you'd like to see, you can help me out by buying from my affiliate links, or you can just like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Inside, you'll find 2 earbuds with the letter R. I thought, how come there are 2 right earbuds? But then I realized the R was actually the Realme logo and not an indicator of right and left. The buds itself are quite small and they fit flush to your ear with a very slim profile. At first, I couldn't get a good fit until I switched to the smallest ear tips. The unit I got was the China version, so the manual is all in Chinese. Fortunately, the pairing process is very simple. Just open the case, press and hold the buds in the touch-sensitive area for about 5 seconds, and it will go into pairing mode. Now simply select Buds Q in the Bluetooth settings of your device. Alternatively, you could download the Realme Link app for Android and just follow the instructions on the app. I was actually impressed as this is the first time I've seen a companion app for a wireless earbuds at this price range. In the app, you can see your battery life, assign tap gestures such as double tap for next song, activate assistant, just to name a few. Unfortunately, one thing you can't do is control the volume. You can also switch to gaming mode, which reduces latency for gaming, but I found that it also helps when watching videos. One thing to note is that you can use the left and right buds independently. For the sound quality, I found it quite good. It's tuned to be heavy on the bass, and the mids and highs are less pronounced. Since sound quality is very subjective, I suggest downloading an equalizer app to tune it more to your liking. Also, the mic quality is good enough for those office Zoom meetings. Realme claims a battery life of about 4.5 hours of music playback and a total of 20 hours with the included charging case. While I haven't been able to use it continuously for 4.5 hours, I did watch a 2-hour movie and it still had about 60% battery left. There's a lot to like about the Buds Q. The sound quality is good, the companion app is a rarity in this price range, and finally the affordable price. There are only a few cons and most of them are not deal breakers. It's baffling that in 2020, they still use micro USB and not USB-C. While the Link app is great, I hope that Realme puts more features like an equalizer and the ability to have firmware updates. And finally, the case is quite slippery. I wish they had put a bigger gap on the front lip to make it easier to open. Overall, it's still a good buy. Decent sound and great price is always a good recipe for a successful wireless earbuds. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Realme Buds Q wireless earbuds. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.